Hello everybody and welcome again to another Switch video series. My name is Kent and thank you all for watching and supporting us on social media. For this particular video series, I'm going to talk about an application that is built into every Mac and every iOS device called iBooks. Yep, you heard me right, iBooks. What's it all about? Well, stay tuned, let's watch and I'll show you. As always, what you're seeing is a standard installation of OS X El Capitan, similar to what you would get if you just bought a new Mac. As usual, I'll be using some teaching aids. For example, if I click on the screen, you'll see some feedback to tell you that I'm clicking on my mouse. Also, you'll see me zooming in, zooming out at certain sections to focus your attention on certain elements of the interface. So, we're going to talk about iBooks. iBooks is an application that's built into OS X El Capitan as well as iOS. What does it do? Well, iBooks is all about keeping a collection of books. This could be EPUB, ebooks, PDFs, and related electronic publication all in one central location. That means instead of having, say, file, a new folder, and in that folder you call this my ebooks, instead of doing this kind of management yourself, think about iBooks as something like a photo library. But instead of photos, everything inside here is your books, PDF, so much more. And it can be sorted by all the books, your collection, the authors, the category list, and so much more. And where do you get ebooks? Well, if you already have PDF file, just drag and drop into it. If you don't have any ebooks, get started by going to the iBook store. It's the same on iOS or macOS X. Clicking on it brings you to something like a store. Think about it like an App Store or iTunes Store, be it Mac or iOS. But in this case, everything here is books. And there is a lot of books. For example, you want to read some classic books like Sun Tzu, The Art of War, click on it, you can actually get it. A lot of them are free because the publisher is the public domain. So you don't have to pay a single cent to learn about the classic books. So here I got Sun Tzu, The Art of War. If you click on Get, just key in your iTunes ID, the same Apple ID that you use for your iCloud, for your iOS, for your Mac, it's the same. So from here you can download all the great books they have, and you can see there's lots of great examples. Reader's also book, Dracula, Adventure of Sherlock Holmes, Grimm fairy tales, Treasure Island, Frankenstein. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking at this video, the iBooks is your one-stop location for any type of books that you can get in the market today, except in electronic format that you can have it on your Mac or on your iOS device. There's obviously a lot of top free books, so check it all out right here in OS X El Capitan. Hope they've learned something new.